All right, good morning. Good morning. We are going to start our workshop for today. Our topic for today is preparing with proper protection. And I would like to introduce myself. My name is Elisa Belderol. I'm one of the senior marketing directors here in World System Builder at the Austin Financial Center. And I've been in this organization for 6.5 years. Okay, so 2018, that was my anniversary. I became a campaigner when I saw how the workshop can change my life. Okay, so I started, this campaign or this organization because the workshops were able to open my thinking about how to become financially independent. And at that time, I was really, looking for something that can help me financially. For 30 some years, I've been working and really wondering why I'm still broke. Right. So then good thing, I found this workshop. Okay. So one of my favorite workshop is this one. It's workshop number 3, which is preparing with proper protection. So this is a disclaimer. The information in this presentation should not be interpreted as accounting, investment, legal, or tax advice. It is not an offer to sell or a solicitation to buy any security, insurance, or any other financial product. This workshop is for educational purposes only. Our national campaign for financial literacy is to bring financial awareness and education. You will not learn everything during the course of this workshop. However, we hope you learn, gain more confidence, and take action towards reaching your goals. And being part of this campaign, we encourage you to help empower others to do the same. So to help us preserve the integrity and context of this information, please do not take any photos, videos, or record this workshop. So 30 by 30, like what we said, is we want to educate 30 million by 2030. So financial education is not an option, it is a necessity. So WSB, or World System Builder, is committed to educating and empowering 30 million families by 2030. And being part of this campaign that is revolutionizing the financial industry, we build with the system that bridges financial education and financial independence. So welcome to our workshop. Every day we are flooded with information. When you go to social media, right? You see TikTok, you see Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever, okay, social media. You see all these things that people are talking about finances, right? But it's confusing. So we take the holistic approach. So as you can see, it's not just about, life insurance. It's not just about investments, okay? There's a lot of things that, we really teach people to take the holistic approach. So our workshops educate and empower you to become your own money manager, right? Wouldn't you want, be the one deciding on what to do with your money? Not just, somebody telling you what to do, and then when the market crash, you lose your money. But even if you lose your money, you still pay them, right? So it's really very important that you learn the ways on how to manage your money, because that's your money. So when you control your finances, then you control your future. So isn't that powerful? To see the full presentation, just let me know, send me a message, or register at bit.ly/dveducate.